This. I can hear you on Discord, and when I mute Discord, you can hear me.
Late night, age of session. Screens glow soft, Tokyo awake. Coffee on the desk, charts don't shake. I wait my turn, I know the zones. Head stay calm, he guides my goals. Patience in the dark, I don't chase the move. I trust the plan and let it prove. If it's not my setup, I let it go. Slow money wins, that's all I know. Oh, highly favored, highly favored. God first, chart second, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. I wait on purpose, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. Blessings in the process, highly favored. As your princess path, I read it slow. Futures breathe, then drift and flow. No rush, no fear, just clean route.
What's going on, Savage?
What's going on? Can you hear me? Bert, can you hear me now?
I hear you.
Awesome.
Yeah, I hear you.
My mic is working. Sweet deal. So I'm just
coming off on YouTube. So Savage, here we go. We have an 8 o'clock pump.
I need to look at my charts. I haven't looked at them since this morning and on the CPI pump. You know, this is one of the first days that we haven't taken out both sides of the data wick. So I see probably the Asia session will come and take out the lower side, which is this yellow box. Just like your white box from yesterday.
Yeah, and I hear you through the YouTubes, but I'm not hearing you on the control room, so I'll adapt to the little delay. It's only like a second delay, so we're good.
I can add Discord in too, so you can hear it a little quicker.
All right, here we go. We're having a little push up. Let me look at a quick zone. We got 30 minutes to 1 hour. So the 1 hour is sitting at the 9. Let me select here so I can view the statistics. Good evening, everybody. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. Hit the like channel. And if we notice, I'm gonna show my charts real quick. Look at what happened here at the 8 o'clock. Look at where we bounced, which is the 200. And we're continuing to slowly push up. So we see that. Oh. Okay, let me delete this. So we're having a little push up here. I also see trend line here. That's just some quick observations. So let's see what happens here on the push up. get some more music. Some of my calming music, because it's been a day. Just actually got back from being on the road. What's up, Blue Nitty?
What's up, Nitty?
I was waiting to hear from you today, man. What we looking at today, team? This is what we looking at.
The toward trend line.
We got a trend line here. We just had to push off the 200 on the 1 hour, which is pretty bullish. But I want to give this a little bit of room to breathe, give it another 5-10 minutes or so, because when we go to the 5 minute, we're actually losing the 200. We get losing the 200 here. So I don't know why this keeps, I've turned this off 1,000 times. It just keeps coming on, and I don't like the centered one. We're gonna go to the SMA 200. Always got mine in white. Okay, close. So we're holding below the 200 here. We closed on the 200. This couldn't have a move down. CPI flushed the market. We saw that some of the biggest losers today were like Nvidia. Let me double check that. No, I second that it wasn't Nvidia. Nvidia actually had a nice push up today. Oh, here we go, pushing up. I actually want this. If we break this trend line here, I'm gonna take that trade and look for the at least 50-point push, 60-point push into this zone. To right here. That would be my TP, but it has to break out of this zone here. We got the data wick from CPI was here. Oh, good, I can delete that. So we got a CPI data wick. And I actually thought we would break the 30,000, go to 30,044 as I have a zone up there. But key numbers, right? Big round numbers would be 30,000.
Yeah, I was looking at the charts earlier this morning when we broke above that from the 10th, from that high there. We popped above it, didn't hold much volume. I hesitated a little bit, but I took a short straight down. And so that was a really nice one. I was really thinking we're going to take out these lower wicks. So I don't know what team's looking for, but I want to see this lower wick taken out, possibly into the fair value gap. Create another fair value gap up, and then enter on that for the long push up. Who dis?
Hey Dandy, how's it going? There goes your special welcome. Let's see. Looking for this push. Just wait. My dog. I guess somebody's here. Alright, so for right now, we're still rejecting that zone, the trend line. Hey Dandy, how's it going? Just saying hi to some folks on the Discord. Tomorrow is PPI, so We'll see what PPI brings as well. But this is what I want to see. I want to see this break out. Let's see this break out of the zone. Yeah.
Rick, are you in along?
Me? No.
Okay.
Not yet. Not
I'm gonna
until I
take it.
see it break and reclaim. Not till I see this break, reclaim, and then I'll take the push up. First
I'm gonna
TP
take a
would be the box. Second TP would be the data wick.
I'm looking to take a quick short here. Low risk. About this trend.
That's a good short. It's a good short. Did you take position?
Yeah, I did.
So you're looking for the data wick down?
Yep.
Let me go see.
About 400 ticks.
Oh, SpaceX had a good run today.
Yeah, they did.
And AMD towards the end of the day kind of lally-dagged. Oh, I remember now what took a big hit today was Tesla. Tesla was what took a big hit today. Yeah, that short looks good off the trend line there. I'm bullish, so harder for me to take a short. But that's
we
a
have
really
a
good
large.
short.
I have a larger time frame trend if you pull to the 4 hour. So that one it might be stronger.
Okay.
You can see the flag out through here. And this is the high that where I took that short earlier this morning. Just broke above this high. Couldn't hold it, and then we took it lower. But I want to see this data wick taken out into the 4 hour fair value gap on this low side.
You
We
think
get the
they'll
next
save
push
that
up.
for PPI tomorrow?
It's possible. You can draw your white box tonight and see what we can play in.
Let's see if we can find the range for this white box.
Yeah.
Might have to eat a couple crayons, figure out the zone here. But actually not. Trying to find the box.
It's a really big one today.
Yeah. Yeah. We also like
Just about hit that orb 50% today. Just noticed that. I'm gonna bounce on it.
trying to grasp at something here. I'm just looking. Just looking. For trade set up here in just a second.
Nitty's in a short. 860.
865 micros, okay.
Now he's break even, and I'm underwater.
Yeah, I still see. Let me look at this I really don't like to look at the 1 minutes, but let me go on. One minute is holding the 9 to the upside, but I don't really trust the 1 minute. I like the 5-minute chart that I'm seeing right now. If we break out and a little bit of a, I think it's a parallel wedge or something like that this is called. So watching to see what we do when we come down here, possibly take it back up. All right, the shorts are moving down. Those of you in shorts. Testing the 5-minute, 200. Just see what it does. It's 15. 15 can come down to like 830, 834. Might take a buy off of there if it comes down to that area. But right now,
I like
the
that.
5-minute is holding. Yeah, the reason I like the 830, and actually the 5-minute gives me the confluence as well. It would be this zone here, which we have the proprietary and the 9 right there. And then when we go to the 15-minute and it decides to load up, we also see that the blue line right there. So I'm just bullish.
We get down to this 828 area, basically where that your blue line is. You got yours at 32, mine's at 27. I'm gonna smack mine at break even. Just
Yeah,
because
those of you who are short, you're
see
printing
that.
right now. You are printing. Have no afternoon coffee. Water's running out. Got a buy order at 828.50 just to give it a stab if we get a wick down in there. And not a couple of emails.
Yeah, today was a kind of a busy day for me, so I was kind of glad I was able to save from markets after looking at it. Hindsight, I'd have been chopped up. On my chart, I have the 200 SMA, which you have on yours, Brick, and then the 200 EMA, which is my blue line here.
Okay.
So I was kind of watching to see what you're looking at too with some of your stuff.
It's holding on the 5-minute at 200. Not letting go of it just yet. Not yet.
Where's Reverend with his shark fin, or JD with his baby over here?
MACDs.
From I asked for the ref and he appeared. Jesus. I got something. I got something for you. Got you. Hmm. Ricky. Ricky taking it long?
Let me look right now. So and it still hasn't broken. It hasn't broken here. The trend line, I have a buy down here waiting. I was hoping to get that pushed down to get into the buy. If we break up here, I'll readjust and take the buy. So it's holding the trend line and it's rejecting the 200 to the upside. So check out my $1 smartwatch. Yeah, I paid $1 for this thing and $2.95 shipping. Look.
That's good. I love that brick.
Yeah.
This is what not watch.
$1. No, I'm only muted in the Discord, Rev. The Discord can, the YouTube can hear me. What's going on? Yeah, I gotta test this thing out, man. Actually, I'm gonna put it on. So when I take a trade, I can monitor my heart rate. See what that does. Let's see.
I was using a Whoop band for that, but I had lost my kids lost my charger for it, so and I'm not paying. I'm too cheap to pay $50 for another charger.
I normally have an accelerated rate, a heart rate.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's at 83 right now, and I'm just sitting. It's my normal. Did this market just come to a pause as soon as we got on, or what? Let me go grab some more to Savage.
Yeah, I'm looking at the MACD on my other chart here. Was starting to turn down a little bit. So the momentum for the upside has slowed down, which you can see it on the chart. Yeah. Yeah, Brooke, do we have wait taking us back, but the bootleg order book?
They can get somebody come get my wife.
You know, I think after that dollar watch, she deserves another shopping trip.
Bro, she was just making fun of my watch. She was just making fun of my watch. Chat, what do you think? $1. $1, and she said that not a lot of chatting today, but to try to make some money. It ain't up to me. That's up to the market.
You know, Brooke, you've been streaming for about 2 weeks now, and now you're flashing that big old bling bling.
Come on, guys. Listen, do trading. They said, boom, you'll be able to get $1 watch. Right here.
You paid more for shipping than you did to watch.
Close my door. She's fine.
Yep.
We go. I like it. I know y'all want one. Look at that. All right, here we go. I see a little wiggle coming in. I got my buy order sitting down there at 828.50 or 826. No. What is this? 828.50. 828.50. Here goes the wiggle room. All right. I got a long sitting 828.50. Right there, in between my blue and my green. I trade based on colors, not based on anything else.
What kind of crayons do you eat today?
I should have had a few because I'm tired. I'm tired. Let me take this thing off. I don't do watches like this with a band wrap around you because they give me anxiety. Whoa.
Should have took the short off your Tory trend line there, Brooke.
I should have, but I'm bullish. I'm bullish.
I'm sorry. I'm not bullish until we hit my lower ends and the way down. Way down here. Let's see my daily chart.
Wait, I gotta check something here. Check something here.
This chart doesn't really show it, but it's right below 27, like 106 area. This chart doesn't show it. Let's get up and I'll show you what I'm looking at on that. Come down, touch this your buy zone, Brick. I will bring it down to the highs of these candles. My break even may get touched one more time, but I'll bring my stop loss down.
I'm gonna be patient on this trade. Let's see. But literally the market has moved what? 11 points in 30 minutes we've been on.
Yep.
So y'all already know.
Enjoy your box.
No, I haven't. It's too wide. It's too wide. So what I did was I just drew, I think that's like a parallel trend or something. So,
Reverse Dorito.
yeah, looking for it to short, then pop. Sorry, I'm dealing with somebody that's traveling. For this missions trip. Trying, coordinating people from all around the country becomes challenging sometimes. But that's a good flush for those of you in the short. What's y'all TPs? Talk to me.
Nitty, you still in it? That's nice.
Yeah, Nitty's doing nice.
He'd
Got
be up
5
about,
micros, 20 points.
he's up about $200 right now.
Good job, Nitty. It almost came down to get me, though. Don't leave me out there hanging. Come on, market. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, market. Don't leave me hanging. Just on down. So, I don't know. Maybe added 5 more. Oh boy. What's your TP on that? Closed for 400. Oh, nice. Nice. Good job, buddy. Camera.
Adjust mine.
Picture taking capability don't work. It says press
And
the
dollar
button to
watch
take
did
the
you
picture.
buy?
Here we go. Here we go. Put me in, coach. Really got it to monitor my heart rate. Goes my dog. Every time I'm about to trade, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm short for 855, secure 277. Come on. Everybody's making money on the shorts. Let's go.
All right, I'm at break even right now.
Let's go. I got tickled. I literally got tickled on this. Look at this. Look at that.
Somebody come look at this. Somebody.
Look at that. Look at that tickle. Look at that. You can't make this stuff up. Look at this. Yo.
It's gonna get you, Bert. Don't you worry.
Look at this. Yeah, but what is it gonna do? Knife me as soon as it gets me in? Like
it's gonna hit my target.
Look at that. Not looking for much. There we go. We're in. We are in this trade. Let's see what it does now. All right, so we got Savage on the shorts. I'm in the longs. We can both make some money. Chad is already making money. Haven't even looked at ES for confirmation. But here we go. Let's just let it play out. So your
Mine's a
TP
break
is
even.
okay.
Mine's a break even. I'm looking for basically 100 points down here.
ES is so weak right now, but we shall see. Right now we're sitting in a little bit of profits there, 5 points worth of profit. 6 points. See if we can get this into the box. Oh, that. There. 100 points.
Is this your Halcyon?
Yeah. Let's pump this baby. Let's pump. Wait. I don't want to say pump too hard because my boy's in a short. Added 1640 to the portfolio, done for the night. Wait. So you secured 277 and that multiplied to 1640? How many accounts you were copy trading? 8? 7 or 8? See, I should have took a few minis on this.
Good.
This is where not adding size hurts.
See why I didn't go break even exactly?
Yeah, this is where not adding size hurts. Because if I would have added size, I would have been out. I copied 4 on the buy and 1 on the sell. Come on.
Isn't that called hedging? You're not allowed to do that.
It is called hedging. There you go. Look, you're going back into profits. If I would have took size on this, I would have been out. But
now,
I need to start taking size on these choppy markets to be able to take advantage of them and take the money out quicker.
Now that this
Great
hits
job,
my entry again, now I can go break even since it retested me again.
Come on, let's push. I only need 91 points. But I'm looking for 100 points. My dogs. Okay. It's a 15-minute candle. You know, I was looking into the rules of that 250K that Top Set threw out for a little bit. And you got to make minimum $1,000 a day to qualify for payout.
Yeah.
Which is possible because you got the size.
Get 25 minis you can send.
Bro. But I wish I would have had now. I would have sent at least 5. I've been up $300, $400 at the top and been gone.
I'm waiting for the new lab to drop.
Is that 3,000? Make 3,000, keep 3,000?
Yes, sir.
So how is that gonna work? It says, because I thought I saw something briefly come across. So you make 3,000, and then you have to do it all over again.
And then you keep $3,000 profit versus right now. If you do that, you only get to keep like $500.
So that means it's just a disposable account because then you're done, right?
Possibly. I don't know.
That's interesting.
But that's just like saying if you make $6,000, you keep 50% of it.
Yeah.
And that's currently what the rules are right now, is you keep 50% of the profits you make. So
Chop, 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 chop. Oh, I want to test something. There it is. Comes up as highly favored trade. Then you see the new one? You see the new
there he is.
I had to make another one just to keep my name Brick, but I had to add the HFT to it. So we are HFT Brick. All right, 10 points, 12 points. Here we go. Push. Push.
You might need another song for like Red Candles or something.
Wait, let me. Where's my music? Let's find some good music over here. I would play Chop Chop Chop, but let's play this one. Stay Long. ES is so weak right now, but NQ is holding it down. NQ is really holding this down right now. Let's just go. I would like to see a push up to like 900, to be honest. 12 points. First time in here, Weary, you're blocked. Welcome. Do me a favor, please subscribe. Hit the like button. I am Brick. That is Savage.
How you doing? Where you from?
Where you from, Weary? Where you from and how did you hear about us? We are a fairly new channel, not even a month old, and we're just here having some fun. Thank you, sir. We're just here having some fun, teaching a little bit of trading. Yesterday, I kind of went on a rant and taught a little bit about how I trade the market, and working on clipping that actually and making a nice little audio tutorial from that. The Bronx, by the way, of Ocala. By way of Ocala. The Bronx, okay. I was born...
Mr. 8020. I love Mr. 8020.
No, he's probably heard you from the
Are you talking
gotcha.
like Ocala, Florida?
Yeah, he's talking about Ocala, Florida. Gotcha. Well, welcome, sir. Glad to have you here. Subbing on all my accounts. Come on. And I grew up, well, I was born in the Bronx, right there on 179 in Preston. Spent most of my years there. This is David Estrella of Desmond Water Street. Oh, come on. How you doing, man? Good to see you. Yeah, he's one of the gentlemen that in the ministry with us, so.
Nice.
Oh, this right here is just, I appreciate you. We're still here at the 8 points. Right now, we got Savage on the shorts. I'm in the longs. And actually, we're both sitting in the money, right? So,
Yep.
we're both sitting in the money, which is great. Now, does this constitute as hedging? Can one of our accounts be flagged? Or hedging each other, or what?
I'm sitting at break even. So
I'm not
I ain't
saying that break
losing.
even yet. How much time left on this 15-minute candle? 50 seconds left on this 15-minute candle. And we got, it's 8:44. Another 15 minutes more volume and liquidity shows up. I'm just hoping they do the same thing they did previously at the 8 o'clock hour. We saw the 8 o'clock hour come in very bullish. And actually, this makes me feel even a little bit more bullish. The fact that it didn't retrace, right? They went bullish. They kind of held it. So I don't see people securing profits. I don't see anybody trying to manipulate it down. The only thing that has me worried is that ES is just going sideways. Literally, I can draw a box on ES. This is the next 15-minute candle. Let's see if we can get this nice push up. I used to trade Forex with IML. Listen, looking to get back into trading again. Well, you will understand this, sir. This next statement you will understand. I used to be a local educator for IML and a local educator for high frequency trading through IML here in the Tampa Bay area. I wasn't officially working for the company. I was just helping a group of traders here in the Tampa Bay area. And then the more I looked into the company, the more I got checked, and I was like, I'm just gonna move on. But I spent about a year training a lot of folks here in the Tampa Bay area. So, and from IML, did a lot of Forex trading, a lot of binary trading.
That's one thing I never got into was the Forex realm, learning what all the pips and everything else were, the differences.
Yeah, I used to like Forex, and then what happened was I started realizing, depending on which broker you signed up with, depending on what time of day it was, your spread is so different. So the minute you go into a trade, you're sitting in the negative. You got to make the broker's monies first, and then you make your money. So it's a little different. But the broker gets paid on the front end. Okay, yeah. I know Darwin. Definitely looking to get back. I'll be supporting. I appreciate you, man. Yeah, I know Darwin. I know Darwin personally. I knew a lot of those educators personally. Sat around the table with plenty of them, and they're good people. At the end of the day, they're good people. So this is futures. I don't know how much you know about futures. Futures trading, we use prop firms, different prop firms. You know, you buy your account, you got to meet the challenge. It's just like Forex prop firms, like Banks, right? Like he owns a prop firm, Q Banks. It's just like that. You pass the test, then you get funded. But it's a lot more regulated. Your entries are clean on the future side. There is no broker manipulation and whatnot. The entry you want is the entry you get. So, and yeah, it's been a good experience so far. Here we go. We got a nice push. We're up 16 points. Looking for 100 points on this, which would give me about $600. This push. But I'm willing to settle at the 900 zone. I don't see this continuing to go unless we go in the next 12 minutes, right? So ES is actually on the 15-minute sitting. Like, I don't want to switch because wealth charts scrambles everything around for me. Do you have the ES chart up?
Yeah, let me, I can. Let me get my second.
Your trade is at break even and whatnot. So let's take a look at ES. Look at that. You can do a box around ES like I had on NQ yesterday. It's right there.
This is a 5-minute
Literally
chart.
right there.
Let me turn off my orb. There you go.
Look at that. You can literally do a box around that and trap it right then and there. Yeah, that's it right there. That was yesterday, the NQ chart right there. So, but right now we're getting another little push up to 18 points. Up about $100 on this trade. 20 points, 21 points. All right, we're kind of having a little bit of movement here. Let's see if we can continue to push up. I would love for it to break this little trend line that it has here.
10 ticks for getting stopped out.
Who's getting stopped out?
I said I'm about 10 ticks from being stopped out.
Oh. Let's see if we can just have this little push up. Let's see if at 9 o'clock we can get a nice little push up. Even if we get a push up, I would say to the 900 zone, I'll be looking to get out at the 900 zone, to be honest. I'll take the $400 for the night. Back that onto the account and keep it moving. There we go. Push up. I like the fact that the 9 is crossing the blue. I don't like that VWAP is kind of taking looking kind of down a little bit if you see here. Trying to point down a little bit. I don't like that. But let me check my other chart. And I don't know if I plotted the orb this morning. I don't think I did, but this is the bottom of the orb where it's seeing resistance, if I'm not mistaken, right, Savage? I don't think I plotted it right. I don't remember if I did or not. I was running around today too much. But in the 5-minute, do you have to get a started account up? Actually, that's a great idea. That's a great idea. I'm gonna do that possibly tonight or tomorrow. And since we don't have any connections or any ties to any prop firm, I can do a generic one and just briefly show all of the different prop firms that's available. And I'll go ahead and do that tonight, either tonight or tomorrow, and be able to post that.
Yeah, definitely. That's a great idea. Like it.
And then we also have, let me also put in here, I don't know if you do Discord, but we're building the community out in the Discord where by this weekend I'll have all the training material in there as far as what's explaining what futures are, how to trade futures and whatnot. So feel free to join the Discord. We have a nice little small community in there. We get in here. Starting in about a week, I'm gonna have morning chart up sessions. Get on about 9:15, chart up the market, see what I'm looking at for the day, depending on if it's news day or not. So that way we can start getting prepared for the day as well. But on YouTube, we'll just continue in the nighttime sessions for right now. Oh, look at this on the 5-minute.
I'm watching it. It's like edging my entry.
This thing right here is trapped between the 9 and the 200. Like, unless it breaks out of this 200, I'm not gonna get my move. Like, I'm not gonna get it unless it breaks out of the 200. I am going to protect this entry and I'm going 2 points into the profit just to protect the entry and take the fees. We got 9 o'clock coming in. I am bullish, but it keeps rejecting this 200. The 9 is pointing down. The VWAP is kind of sloping down. My blue line is kind of going sideways, but there is a lot of buying pressure here. Like if you look at this zone here, that's a lot of buying pressure. Look at those wicks. But we'll see now in 6 minutes. Yeah, see, now it's starting to push down. I would hate to have a big flush and be caught in it. I'd rather get stopped out and reposition. There it is.
You know what's stronger than buying pressure? Or your trend lines.
Yeah, yeah. Look at you. Look at that.
Somebody look at this.
That was a good hold, but see now, I don't know what your blue line that is down there.
That's the 200 EMA.
Okay.
Yeah, I have the EMA, the blue line, and the white one's a 200 SMA, the simple moving average. And
Yeah.
the blue one is the exponential moving average.
And that stop loss could have potentially ruined my big move. But we shall see. This market has been in such a choppy range.
On my
No,
charts,
that's just 200.
let's have a 200 EMA and a 200 SMA. Brick uses the SMA, so I just threw that on my chart to look at it.
The only reason I use SMA is because that's the one that lines up in growth charts with what I normally use, which is just the regular moving average from TradeC or Weeble. But-
So the difference, the SMA is like if you use like the 10 SMA, it uses the closing price of the stock divided by 10 over the last 10 days. That is your simple moving average. The exponential moving average is your average prices over a period that are assigned more weight to recent prices to make it more current to market conditions. So that's why I like the EMAs.
I'm gonna put a buy order down at 820. 820.25. I'm gonna have another buy order. I don't know how to pull trades on this. Hold on. Let me go pull. When you get used to one trading platform, it's so hard to navigate the others.
Brick, do you see the thing on your chart that looks like a 90-degree angle that has the little wedge? It's right in the center of your toolbar.
This one? Oh, right.
No, down. It's right in the middle of your tools. Right below your ruler.
Right there.
Right below your ruler. Yep, that's your fibs. And fib retracement's your second one.
So I'm looking for a 618 push down. For those of you that do forex would understand this move. 618. See if at 9 o'clock in 2 minutes. This is, bro, look at this zone though. See, I knew it's gonna go. This is gonna go. But let's see if we can get a little wiggle down, pick me up, and then push up off the 618, 78 area. I don't like to use nothing else but two zones on the fib retracement, which is this box here. ES is still within the box, literally. So we're about to have the hourly turnover. Let me go right now to the hourly chart, see what the hourly is doing. Eventually it'll do what it needs to do. So if it closed here above the 9 on the hourly, that's a good sign for a continuation. But of course we can come down, but I'll leave my buy order there. And I'll be quick to get out of that if it keeps flushing down. So, but Savage is still in the trade and he is green. It's holding that 200s, that EMA.
I mean, it's riding in that little jump rope right there.
Yeah, the market is trapped right there.
Wild.
Yeah. Somebody in the Discord said 757 somewhere down here. Look at the push. Look at the push. I possibly got wicked out for no reason. And we got the new hour just kicked in. Look at the 5 minute. Yep. It held the buy. It held the buy zone. But here it comes back down. But it did hold the buy zone.
Right off that Tory trend line again.
Yep. So
Right,
I'm gonna
push me
go
down 100 points.
my buy order just because I'm not gonna catch a falling knife. I wanted to move down first, which was here. I wanted this move down, pick me up, and then push back up. But look at the hold. Look at the hold right here. So, you know where we're about to do? We're about to incarcerate. That's what we got. Good luck trading that tonight. 20-point range. 22-point range. Let's see what this wiggle we get. There we go. It would have almost got me. I was at 822. I'm gonna go in 822.25. I get that wiggle down. I really want to take this. I think I missed my entry there at the VWAP. See what happens. If I can get one more push down. The only problem is if you get one more push down, it'll push through and possibly continue down. But look at that kiss to the VWAP. ES just made new lows.
Did ES take out the data wick from earlier?
Let me take a look. No, not yet.
Yeah, I think I got a ways to go. They're still in the box.
Yeah. There we go. We're in the trade. Very light, one contract. Just to see if this would happen. This is what I didn't want, was the catching the falling knife. But we'll see what we get. We got 2 minutes left on this 5 minutes. Now get back in the box, close in the box, and just keep going up. Get back up to 850. That'll be nice.
Yeah, I'm watching this 820 zone here for possible rejection from my side.
And we're still trading against each other. This is wild. I'm just so bullish. I just can't get out of being a bull today. Just can't do it. Just can't do it. There we go. This can have a nice little push up, nice little retracement up off the VWAP. Did anybody else see something in the market? Anybody else in anything? What are you guys saying?
What's team got? Is he still around? I think he's looking for these lows to be taken out too for the data wick.
Yeah, the thing is, we got data wicks to both sides of the market.
Yeah,
Which
but we
one's
already
gonna get taken out
we
first?
already took out the high side though. If you're looking at my chart here, the 5-minute, this big old wick here, this little
That's
doji
true.
inside, we came up and we took out the high side. And when we took out the high side, we also took out this high end of the liquidity over here. That's why I said I was going short as soon as we hit that. And then we dumped back down because we took both sides of the liquidity out. So now
Yep.
the lower end of the liquidity that we need to take is right here.
There's somewhere where I can add like something.
Yeah, I got my profit sitting at 747, but
Somebody come
my
look
stop,
at this.
but my stop
Somebody
loss
come
is
look at
sitting at
VWAP.
852.
Somebody come look at VWAP.
Yeah,
Look at that VWAP push.
my 200 SMA is pushing up. EMA is pushing down. My open it up.
Just looking at somebody that's sharing their chart on Discord.
Kind of looks like that.
Excuse me.
Orbs off. Yeah. Yeah, and I look at multiple charts. It's wild how you can look at the same thing to see different things. So my quant tower, I'm here. That was my trading view. Even like my top step chart is completely different. So
I just remembered my daughter works from home tomorrow. Savage,
Yes.
you do contracting work. Tomorrow, I'm gonna go attempt something. I'm gonna go be an electrician tomorrow. I'm gonna go move some. What are those things called? Outlet
Right, Sparky.
receptacles. Hey, we're gonna figure this out one way or another. I'm gonna go help my mom out and go move some stuff. So I'll be there all morning. But I don't want to say nothing, but somebody come look at this. Somebody come look at this. See, that's why I need to start going a little bit heavier. And
Oh no, the white box of death.
and again, I'm just gonna go 2 points in the profit. Let the trade. Look at this. Look at this. You have 16 points. No, I've never traded in a box before until yesterday. I kind of like it.
Burke, we talked about this yesterday. You cannot put that white box on there.
But yesterday I also said that I don't like being a range trader. That's why I went so low. But look at this.
All right, we're
today,
entering
you
Tour
find a
trends
way.
line again.
So I did say yesterday I don't like to trade it, but VWAP was right there. We broke. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this VWAP. That VWAP bounce. We're up to the 200. Can we break? Anybody? Anybody saw something similar?
I just added a second contract at the top of your box.
Right now, I'm only on a 1 lot weary. This is on a 1 micro. I normally don't trade stuff like this, and when it's at this size, so it's a very small position. This current position is only up 50 bucks, right? I normally go 3 to 5 micro lots, so I should have been up, 150 bucks to anywhere from 150 to 250 right now. About 50 bucks. I don't like the market action right now, but I did it for fun, right? Because it hit my VWAP. Now we're just gonna now we're gonna run. And if I can get 100 points on this, that'll be $200 for the night.
I took a really, really low risk, high reward.
Let me see what you got.
I entered a second contract at the top of your white box, and I'm going to take the first profit off at the bottom of this candle.
Oh, nice.
And you can see where my stop losses are. They're like right at the top of those wicks.
But Weary, tonight we've already had people make a few $100. They size bigger. They've done very well for the night. So,
come on, take it.
but I'm letting this thing come back to me. I should have got out at the top of the white box. That was my mistake.
Somebody come look at this. All right, I closed $18 brick.
Come on.
I made more than my dollar last night. All right. So now I can bring this up 18 bucks. Let's bring this up to here. Take this way above your white box. No, I'm safe. So I'm risking $18 on the top side for 100 points down.
I don't think it'll get there.
We're
I
going
should have
down the
got out
bottom
at the
box
I
again.
should have got out at the box.
Let's see your box. Let's see your box.
I should have got out. I should have got out. Secured my 50 bucks and did it all over again.
I might close and re-add and start bouncing back and forth in this thing.
We're gonna ping pong this thing inside the box here.
Right inside the EMAs. Inside the 200.
Bro, like what has been with Asia the last 2 days?
They're getting ready for US big news the next day.
Right. Play with my dollar watch over here.
Yeah.
Yes is dropping. Yeah, I should have secured that.
UK's
Hope
got
my
their
wife ain't
GDP at 2 o'clock.
Sure hope my wife ain't
And then
watching.
we got PPI at 8:30 tomorrow, US core PPI, and US jobless claims at 8:32.
Waiting for the Trump tweet.
So tomorrow's stacked.
Listen, Trump needs to do something in these local governments. Ain't even gonna say nothing. Oh, this thing has a little game. Let me see.
No, hit the bottom of your box so you can go long again.
I should go long. But look, that would have been $50 up, $50 down.
Yeah.
Yeah, this little dollar watch got a game on it, guys. It's $1.
We're keeping busy over here.
I am keeping busy. My little dollar watch. Oh, let me see if we can find my phone. Bro, this thing don't work. This thing has 2 apps that work so far to the whole package. Oh. It's only $1. Best side lamp. What is that? Oh, here we go. This thing is gonna take my blood pressure. Guys, I'm just having fun. There it is. It took me out, but I should have got out at the top. Back to the bottom of the box. We're back to VWAP. Let's see what this thing does. Yup, it's breaking VWAP. Yeah, the shorts are looking good for you now. Let's go to your short. Oh. Blood pressure's doing great. Let me up my size here. Going back to my normal size. Nope, no. Who's the boss? Who's the boss? Who is the boss?
You do it again.
Guys, I gave you guys the zone right there. I gave you the 22-point zone. I don't trade markets like this. I just can't trade these markets like this. I don't like it. Let me run into the restroom.
Anyway, how's everyone else looking at tonight? Learning about the box. The box is where he makes all the money, so he can send you out shopping. Hey Brick, stay away from the computer.
Look at this. Look at this. Come look at this box, guys. 2 nights in a row with the box. The box. What's up, T-Tap? Nothing much, just another box. Another non-trading day for me. The minute I start trading the box,
Rick, just think each one of those candles is $50 to you.
It is, but I don't trade these ranges. Hold on, somebody said they're listening, learning. That's the wrong person to be listening and learning about this box. Jesse, I'm just here playing with my dollar watch. Dollar watch. She's hating. She don't got a dollar watch.
I don't either, Burke.
We should do a giveaway, right, for the dollar watch. The winner covers shipping, though.
Y'all go on Whatnot now and order that. What? I'll drop it for you.
Yeah, no, this box is not what we trade. This is not the box. This is not the market right here. This is wild. I'm listening, learning about the box. What's today? Wednesday. One more day. Oh, somebody put it in an order. Oh no, that's Savage playing around with the soundboard.
Playing the buttons. Getting you scared?
I got all of my notifications off.
Yeah, the worst sound in the world is when you're sitting there doing nothing and you hear order filled.
Have you seen the reels where the alarm goes off, they don't wake up, stuff happens in the house, they don't wake up, the minute you hear order filled, you're up. It reminds me of the MetaTrader when you was on NT5 and you hear that whap sound and all of a sudden somebody around you hits that whap sound. You're like, wait, did my account go into a trade? Hope it didn't go into a trade. Look, going back down, now we're trapped between the 9 and the VWAP. It's only 10 points. Okay, here you go. You're getting to move down now. There we go. Now this is going to start making a move down. Hold on. ES is making a huge move down right now. So if we close under this VWAP on this 5 minute and we retest the VWAP with a nice rejection, I'll go short. But look at this. Look at this.
I'm just watching this, like I said, this 820 to 816 zone where there was some volume that was here from 1900 to like 8 o'clock. This general box here. I'm gonna draw my box. There's some volume sitting right here.
Yep, that was the 8 o'clock candle that pushed everything up.
Yeah, so there's a lot of volume sitting right here that I'm kind of watching. But I'm gonna manage my position a little closer once it comes to there. But right now I'm up $40. How about that?
40? You can buy 40 of these watches.
Bro, can you imagine a giveaway? Do you have anyone in your household that would love a dollar watch, Burke? I'll send one down as a donation.
I was thinking actually of giving it to my grandson. I know he would have a blast with this watch. I think he'll have a blast with this. What do you think, Jesse? We give this to Ezekiel. If it gets lost, if it gets shattered, it really doesn't matter. But I think he'll have a blast with this. It's got the orange band for him.
You play air hockey?
Yeah, it's got one little game on it. But I'm thinking of giving it to my grandson so he can have some fun with it. Gotta ask his parents first if they would allow me to give it to him. box strikes again. Not going short. I don't think it's gonna close below VWAP. Waiting on your trade is the slowest thing you can do in these conditions. This is wild. Let me go to YouTube Studio real quick. So how many people send the all company email this morning? Let's start there. Anybody send the all company email?
Yeah, I'm the only employee in my company though.
And so you sent the all company email?
Yeah, I sent it to all company. And they read it right away. Actually,
Guys,
my agent read it for me.
one huge favor. Tomorrow morning when you get to work, hit all company from your Microsoft Outlook email. I can show you how to do it if you need me to. You hit to all company and send them the link to this channel. Let's get everybody to subscribe. Look at this. Now we're gonna start. There it is. It didn't do what I wanted. I wanted it to close under here, and I would have been able to take that VWAP retest. So now it might be on the next 5 minutes where I'll be able to take that trade. So now I'll wait here the 4 minutes, pump up, give me the VWAP test, and then I'm taking a short. Then I can take a short down to the 797 area. It's not much, but I'm going to size up a bit just to make up some ground here. So we'll see what this does. But that's it right there. That's what I was waiting for, that break. This is going to continue. ES is kind of looking to break sessions low. Yeah, it hasn't broken session low, but NQ did. So if ES continues, then we'll continue to get the push down with NQ. So
ES has got down to 757 on theirs, so they got a little ways to go for their data wick low.
yeah.
Same with NQ. They got to
But
come down below
notice-
their 50%.
I think it will be, I'm all confused. Now I understand when people try to read the chat and make sense of it. I think it will be work for solis. I don't know what that means.
But I think maybe they'll watch.
Yeah, then maybe it'll be good for her. I don't know. I don't know if it even works for the phone call yet. I don't know.
It doesn't tell time.
Bro, the one thing it does have has better faces than the Apple Watch.
It's clean. That's a
No, it's
digital
not.
face? Oh, that was clean.
Yeah, it has that face. Wait, I gotta do it sideways a little bit because of the, but it has quite a few faces. Like, it does well, bro. $1. I know I'm a little too excited with my dollar watch, guys. But if you join trading, you too can have dollar watch.
It's all that big payout money there, buddy. Turn it up.
All right, somebody.
Let's see.
Oh, somebody posted on X. Somebody come look at this. Oh, there's the drop. There's the drop.
Right in the zone.
My entry is coming. My entry is coming. Wow. Wow. My entry is coming. 30 more seconds and I'll be able to enter.
It went into my box and bounced out.
Oh yeah, because you have a little box down there, right?
Yeah.
There it is. The right where you saw the volume.
Again, like you, I need this 5-minute candle to close below this EMA here. My 200 EMA.
Yeah. And this is, my trade is coming. My trade is coming. All right, let's get a nice push up. Whoa, what did I just do? Oh Lord.
Wait, 10 contracts?
No, I did like I switched it over to lines real quick.
Hmm.
Oh. Come on. That it? No. Guys. Had it up too high. This is the test that I need right here. Push up. Push up. Oh. Right there. Look.
Make him look at this. Oh,
There
so
we go.
close.
We're in. We're in. Let's go. Now lose the whole thing.
And now you're on my side. Now let's just dump it.
That's it.
Red
That's
candles.
it. Oh, a lot of volatility right now at 9:30. And I say a lot, right? But it's that we haven't seen the market move this violent. So I have no
we haven't
idea.
seen more boosh.
Yeah. Come on. Make my entry look like a snipe entry and just melt down. Look at that. Look at that. That's a snipe. That's a snipe. Push down. Let's keep going. I mean, I'm watching ES as well. ES just rejected the 9. That was a snipe entry, guys. Super snipe. But if I would have took it right from the top of the box here, from the last time, would have been up 40 points. That it's 7. Come on, just keep going. Move this TP down. Oh, I don't like that. Don't like that. Go look at this other chart. The one thing that I miss that I don't like is something like this. I got the 7-8. See the 7-8? I wicked into the 7-8. This could potentially be the continuation up now, all the way because of the 7-8. That's a strong bounce area, which also aligned with your box. So now we're rejecting the 9. Yep.
Wow.
This is gone. This is gone. Definitely gonna be gone here. But I'm gonna stick to my guns. Let's see. Yep, that's a big bullish move.
Right off of the box.
Right off of your box.
Yeah, I was going to take profit there. I should have. I'm at $78. Sorry.
Just dump this right here.
Only risking $10 on this, so I'm fine.
Watching the zone here. Let me look at the 15-minute. Actually, the 15-minute. It's also my proprietary blue line. So yeah, I'm just gonna hold this. Can easily lose all of this. We shall see. Nope, it's losing it. I'll give this 15 points or so, maybe 20. I won't give this too much more room. And I'm gonna stop out if this candle continues. Yep, I'm gonna go ahead and close that for a small loss. It looked good at the beginning of this night, but it broke right back into the box. I don't like the way that broke. Let me document that real quick. Up 100 on MNQ. I go back into this. Are you still in your short? Uh-oh, somebody just joined Discord that's about to send it.
There he is. What's up, bud?
What's up? Stand. See.
I'm just watching and looking at different things, trying to see.
Trade.
Like these are pumping at them on the wrong side. Should have went long here.
Yeah, I took a small check-in. Some reason I don't understand Wealth Trust, so I look on my phone to see what the portfolio looks like. I only lost 78 bucks on that trade, so
It's not bad.
not too bad.
We're hitting the trend line again. Let's see what this does here.
Scalping 7 MNQs. I sent you a Discord message. You want to look at that?
Not bad. Not bad.
Work. All right, let's see if this thing is gonna lose it. Maybe it wicked me out and continue to go down. We got 6 minutes, no, a minute and 6 seconds left on this candle. We're still inside the box.
Doc. Scalping. It's not your style. Yeah. especially when it moves this slow.
Oh, this thing just came to a halt again.
It must be like, I think Brick's in an order. I'm gonna sit here and watch him. Right? We're gonna test your patience.
Ah.
At 14
Horrible.
seconds in the new 10-minute candle. New 5-minute candle starts.
This is horrible.
You're gonna get some volatility in 3, 2, 1, go. Just kidding.
Trying to open up red.
Kaboosh.
Let's make this market go kaboosh. It's our buddy, DSK. I would actually love to come down to wherever he's at in Florida and have a sit down with him. Yep. I don't have the personal relationship like you do, JD, with him. You need to call him and tell him your advisor is going to come down and have a chat with him. Red chart is something long over there. There we go. There's the flush. There is the flush.
Come on.
There is the flush. I'm in a small trade recovering the loss that I had. And I'm just gonna close that out right there. Made back half of my losses. Only lost $32 for the day.
There you go.
Yeah, I normally didn't call it out because that was a scalp trade. Just to get there. The brick box. That's the BB trade. That's the brick box trade right there. This is horrible. I don't like this box. So that's good. Hopefully you take that up into profits. Yep, this can have potentially a pop up. Are you still in the trade, Savage?
Yeah. Doing some chart art. making a brick on the chart.
This is the this is the way to trade this last 2 days, man. Put it in a box and see.
There you go. I got the brick box set up.
Oh, there you go. He did it 3D and all. Let me send this email real quick. Got an email to send out for work.
Company wide.
I should do company wide. This we got like 22,000 agents.
Yeah. I know, Brick. We're in a 100. I guess we made 150 point range. This is terrible.
I gotta do better with names.
Yeah.
What is?
Ooh, gold's taking a little spill out.
What is this doing in my box? Oh man, could have recovered the other half right there. See if this gets another flush out of the box or stays in the box. I'm just looking. Supposed to be, but look at all the wicks on the top. Look at all the wicks on the bottom of the box. Like it's just been sitting in the box, so. But I'm gonna take my little $32 loss for the night, and I'm just gonna sit here and watch Savages trade.
Yeah, I'm in shorts right now. I'm sitting at my entry was 29,849 was my average entry. I added a second contract. Let's see up here.
He's been in this trade for 2 hours. Been in this trade for 2 hours, Savage. I'm gonna call you G Junior.
Yeah, so you can see my first entry was here, and then it went down, came back, touched my trend line again, and I entered in a second short, and then just took a quick profit right here. And so my last one's sitting up here, but I'm up 18 bucks.
That's what the
on
market
this
has
position.
given us, T-Tep, is 2 hours of nothing. Like,
Yeah.
look at this. 2 hours in here of nothing.
2 hours with a max of $90 profits.
Like, well, even if you do $1, you did better than I did.
Yeah, I've closed that one contract that closed $18 up. So this one's gonna be like a, what am I at here? $6 loss.
The
I'll still be up.
The box. Oh, that's a nice push up.
Here's the pump. Here's the pump.
Let's see what this does. Can't delete that trend
The
line.
trend line.
Can't delete that thing. Oh no. There it goes. Get that thing out of here. And this is where I wanted my TP, was up here.
Yeah, but you drew the box.
But I drew another one up here. Like, can we go visit the other one?
You need to erase some lines to give it room to run.
That's why I took off the top trend line. Let's go. Like, go. Go. Like, the 200 is just slowly.
You're not
Creeping
in it,
up.
so let's just go down to here. And then we can pump up to here.
Team, we are still in the box, team. We are still in the box. Team went and took a nap.
What I want to
Came
see
back.
though, Brick, is just what I was talking about. Bust below this.
Let me
Hello?
bring up your chat, your chart. Just got off for work. What do you do for work, team? If you don't mind sharing, right? Parking enforcement. Oh man. So you're out in Philly?
You better
I'm just
carry out
guessing
there.
because of the show that I've watched.
Push down.
Vancouver, Canada. Oh yeah, Canada. That's true. Man, I'm sure you get a lot of headaches down there. Well, up there. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
It's gonna get
Look
me.
at this.
Oh wait, hold on. My white line moved. I gotta adjust my stop loss.
Here we go. We're breaking out of the box.
Bro, team, I'm telling you. You thought ICT, the market makers watch him. You ought to see what they do with Brick. They're like, yeah, we're just gonna keep it right in his zone.
Here we go. Can we break out of this? Can we break out of this? Oh,
Oof. Stopped.
nice wiggle room up. This is looking good for the longs, guys. Now I'm starting to get excited. I'm starting to get excited. Starting to get excited. 2, 1. Let me see. Oh, this is gonna make the move now, guys. It finally broke out. Finally broke out of jail. Yep, there it goes. I thought about just slamming into it. Look at this. So that must be some news coming out. So this is the move that I was looking for at the 9 o'clock hour when I first had the long. This is the move I was looking for right there. That was it. It came in at 10. They literally piddled in the middle till 10 o'clock. And this thing is now going to explode to the upside. I took the short down here on the retest just because you guys know I have to take my trades. But this was it. That was it. See what it does here. I come back into the box. But I'm not even going to trade this tonight anymore. That is it. Those on Discord, stay on Discord. I'm not going to do anything on this anymore. Again, we had the box. It was a straight range trade day. Yup, it only moved 70 points in 2 hours. That's it. And I normally don't trade that, right? Tomorrow we have PPI. Today we have CPI. Maybe the market is waiting till tomorrow to take out these data wicks. I'm going to also work on a video. Yes, it did, team. It cooked a lot of people this morning. And this is where, right, like the Top Step news that they did with their new news trading actually helped a lot of people, because you couldn't be in the trade 5 minutes before or within 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after. So it actually saved a lot of people's accounts. But yeah, I don't have anything else. Thank you for the support today. Thank you for showing up. Please like and subscribe. Please help spread the word. We're building on something solid here, and anything you build on a solid foundation has to come to completion, right? And that's what we're working on building here. We appreciate everybody coming in, showing the love, showing the support. We are working on things behind the scenes daily, trying to get things connected on the back end. Join the Discord if you haven't. I'm going to go ahead and put the link in here again, just in case you haven't joined the Discord. Feel free and join. Not asking you to chat, not asking you to do anything, but there will be a lot of information there. We do have a news channel that gives you stock news and also the Mag 7 news. You can start watching that, start getting acclimated, start getting familiar with correlating the news with the market movements, right? Because the market moves on the news. So this is just something we're trying to do to help everybody out. But we appreciate the support. And today I lost $32, pretty much flat day, right? So I was looking for the retest of the VWAP down to the downside, but it is what it is. Tomorrow we come back in. We're going to finish the week strong. So far this week we are up on the stream, so that is a positive. Slow trades like today, I'd rather just sit here and not take a trade, because capital preservation is taking a trade. saving your money, right? So that to me is great risk management. I can't ask for anything more, anything less. So right now we're gonna head over to Savage's words of wisdom that he's worked on all day, very, very, very hard for you guys. And go ahead, Savage.
I was actually reading Compound Effect, where it talks about the 1% better over every day gets you to be a better person after 100% over the year. So you don't restart, just refine 1% every day. It compounds, and you won't recognize yourself a year from now. So just keep hanging tight, hang with us, and just don't focus on the losses. Just use that as a learning lesson, and you'll get better every day.
Yeah, that's so good. And that 1% compound, that's something that was taught in the forex industry, right? And they use that, and you can become a millionaire. There's a whole calculator out there. Not many people were able to do it because it is something hard to do, just like it is hard for you to make yourself 1% better every day. But you got to strive for it, you got to try for it, you got to keep going, don't give up. So that is it for today. Thank you for stopping in. Honestly, I am so grateful for each person that comes in and supports the channel. It is a blessing to be able to do this, and we look forward to seeing you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out on the Discord. Savage and I are always available to
100%.
answer any of your questions, and if we're not there, somebody from the Discord channel will be there to be able to help you guys out. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah. Late night. Edge of session. Screens glow soft, Tokyo awake. Coffee on the desk, charge don't shake. I wait my turn, I know the zones. Hands stay calm, he guides my goals. Patience in the dark, I don't chase the mood.